Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, alamin natin kung ano yung magiging mensahe, gabay, advice ng tarot cards for Pisces for love reading sa araw na ito. Gamit ang ating Angel Oracle cards, alamin natin kung ano yung mga sagot. Pwede you can ask a question for your Angel Pisces. It may answer you by yes, no, maybe. It depends, okay? And also, pwede makakakuha din tayo ng mga advices from your angel and timeline kung kailan yung posible. Okay? So, again, pwede you can think of a question right now. Pwedeng isipin mo kung ano yung gusto mong itanong sa ating angel. Pwede ding hindi, Pisces. Pwede ding panoorin mo lang itong reading natin ngayon and alamin mo, tingnan mo kung ano yung malalabas na mga advices, messages ng angel for you sa araw na ito. Okay? Reminder lang po na ito ay general reading, Pisces. So, pwede pong mag-resonate, pwede pong hindi. Okay? And this is a timeless reading. So, kahit anong araw, buwan o taon mo to napanood, as long as mag-resonate po sa sitwasyon nyo, take nyo lang po, okay? And ang ating channel, always kung sinasabi na welcome po ang lahat ng gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT man yung nanonood, or yung mga taong dinidil nyo, take nyo lang po kung mag-resonate. Pag hindi, wag pong ipilit, okay? So, ano po yung mga advices, mensahe, sagot ng angel for Pisces for love reading, okay? Okay. So, ano po yung gabay, mensahe, opportunity. Oh, wow. So, it's all about love reading, pero merong opportunity. So, there's a big opportunity for you about this love. Okay, konektado po iyon. Okay, or it depends kung konektado po ba sa sitwasyon nyo. Ano pa po? Trust. Wow. Okay, so sobrang ganda ng pagmamahalan na ito. Okay, there's an opportunity. Opportunity comes with all aspects in life, Pisces. Pwedeng sa career, pwedeng sa love, pwedeng sa family, sa friends, or sa workplace, okay? Pero ang reading natin ngayon is all about love. So, there's an opportunity for love and trust. You have to trust this person. Yes. Yes. It's a yes. Okay. Sobrang ganda naman. Sobrang ganda. Ano pa po? Yung gabay niya po. You're ready. Yes, you're ready, Pisces. You're ready. There's opportunity. You have to trust. And there's a yes. And there's a you're ready. You are ready, Pisces. Okay. So, sobrang ganda ng mga cards na lumalabas ngayon. Sobrang, kumbaga parang affirmation. Okay. Kumbaga sobrang gaan, sobrang punong-puno ng pagmamahal, punong-puno ng kagandahan, positivity, happiness, full of love ang reading natin ngayon. Okay, there's an opportunity about this love. You have to trust. It's a yes and you are ready, Pisces. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words kung ano or sino po itong konektado sa reading ni Pisces sa araw na ito. Okay, so there's a letter X and letter J. Okay, may dimple, conversation, katamtaman ng pangangatawan, business. Okay, so there's a business, opportunity, flowers. Oh, so pwedeng there's a big possibility of flower business. Okay, flower shop, pwede din. Okay, or pwedeng itong taong to is makakasama mo sa lahat ng aspeto sa buhay and mahilig siya magbigay ng flowers for you, and pwedeng there's a big possibility na when it comes to this kind of relationship, to this wonderful relationship of yours, Pisces, in love, pwedeng kayong dalawa is papasok sa business. Okay? And bahay, city, coffee, oh wow, and kapitbahay. I don't know bakit merong kapitbahay, pero take nyo lang po kung mag-resonate, okay? So, yun lang po Pisces ang reading for love and mga sagot, advices ng angel mo para sa'yo sa araw na ito. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel na Pisces Hub and ang ating isang channel na Gel Tarot Guide na makikita po sa description box below. Click nyo lang po yung link dyan sa baba, okay? And click the notification bell Pisces para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin, okay? Thank you Pisces and God bless!